Hello. Hi, guys. My name is Carlos Alvarez. I'm an English teacher, ELL teacher here in Oklahoma City. I work for the OKCPS district. I've been working as an ELL teacher for more than 11 years now. 5 years has been here in Oklahoma City. The other five have been in Puerto Rico, where I taught native to all Spanish speakers how the importance of English. And throughout that time that I was back home teaching English as second language, I enjoyed it because I was able to help the kids break down the whole English language. I was able to interact with them, have fun learning, integrating all four domains of the language, which are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. We were able to do all that stuff that was fun, that was interactive. I would explain to them the importance why a verb worked the way that a verb works, why we had to identify where was the noun in a sentence, and everything that basically is called the morphology of the language. It's the structure of the language. And I was able to teach that in Puerto Rico. Then I would come over here to the US, and when I started working here, my surprise was that the whole curriculum that we have is really focused on reading. And I'm not taking anything away from reading. Reading is really important, and I love that the kids enjoy reading all the time. But my question is reading really the way that we should be helping students that come from different backgrounds, different cultures, they're learning English for the very first time to accelerate the process of learning English? My answer is I guess not. And this is why. Because students, when we start reading, and I can read a book, I can grab one book, I'll start reading the book from A to C. And the thing is, I'm getting the sense of what's really going on in the story, but my way of breaking and detailing everything that's going on in the story is different than like a native English speaker would do. I would use words from here and there, and if I noticed, oh, this is the noun, this is the verb. So after I know all the pieces of the sentence, that starts to make sense in my brain, and then I can figure out what's going on in the story. And this is why I consider that we should start teaching morphology here in the US, here especially here in Oklahoma City. If we can teach morphology for all ELL students, we can help them understand the structure of the language. We can help them understand why a certain word is spelled the way it is. What are the rules that we have to follow? And eventually, after they are learning all that stuff, they're gonna master the language and be able to communicate effectively, to work effectively, and produce effectively inside a classroom. We should be doing this since very early age, pre-K. When we grab student in kindergarten, we teach them the letter sounds, the vowel sounds, why they're called vowels, why they're called consonants, and reading will come along, but that wouldn't be the focus. The focus for me would be teaching the kids phonics, grammar, grammar structure, parts of speeches. If we can collaborate with all other ELL teachers, and we could create a curriculum that would be beneficial for the students, I think we would do a remarkable job of improving on a big scale the whole system, the school system, because we have to teach students grammar. Grammar is important. How many kids we have here in the US and that I see every day, they don't know how to write a sentence. They don't know why we have to write a period at the end of a sentence. It's surprisingly alarming. And to tell you the list, I've seen kids that fourth grader, fifth grader, they don't have a clue what a verb is. They know how to use it because they speak every day, but they don't know how to use it in a sentence. So that's why I said Reading Horizon is one of the programs that I use here, and it's really special because that program helps students with interactive online using their tablets, it helps them understand the whole concept one by one. Understand, we start from the very beginning, understanding the vowel sounds, understanding the consonant sounds, and we go on from there until we blend words, we start creating new words, and at the end they are able to structure the whole sentence. That's my focus. I want you guys to understand that. My focus is, can we help develop a better curriculum for the ELL department using morphology? I hope you guys agree with me and maybe we can collaborate sometimes. Just let me know on the bottom and just write your comments if you like it. If not, that's okay. But thank you all. I hope you have a wonderful time.